So today I'm going to show you how to redeem your PayPal reward points. Now we're doing this on our desktop here and we're on the home page of our PayPal account. Now we actually have our PayPal rewards showing up here, so you can obviously see there's a redeem button, but I want to show you just in case this is not the first thing you see here on your account. So here again on the main page, if we want to look over to our right hand side, there's this little section here that says more. And if we go ahead and tap on here, it's going to bring a whole new drop down menu. So down here you can actually see towards the bottom it says PayPal rewards. We're going to go ahead and click on here and I'm going to show you the next page. So from here you can actually see how many points you have and what the cashback value is. So for example, we have 795 points, which equals out to $7.95 in cash back. So we're going to go ahead and click on the redeem button over here and show you the next page. So it pops up a little window here for you and you can see again how many points you have, and then it gives you a few options here. So you can actually do cash back that goes right back into your PayPal balance. You can actually transfer this to your PayPal savings if you happen to have one. You can also redeem this at checkouts, and you can also even donate. So for our example here today, we're just going to do the regular cash back and have it transferred into our PayPal, or we can even have it transferred out afterwards. So from here, we're going to go ahead and put how many points we want to go ahead and redeem. Again, we're going to do all 795, and you can see again it tells you what that equals out to. We're going to click on redeem, and just like that, it pulled all of our points out, and it is now going to go into our PayPal balance, which can take a couple of minutes, if not maybe even up to an hour, to actually showcase on your PayPal balance, so no worries there. Now, once those funds land into your PayPal balance and you want to learn how to withdraw that money from your PayPal account, no worries, we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to learn how to do just that.